y'all, welcome to another edition of Spend the Weekend with T Cam Cam. But first, let's get into these earrings that I found at TJ Maxx. They have great dainty jewelry. Check TJ Maxx out for your jewelry needs. Hey y'all, welcome to Spend the Day with me, Real Estate Second Edition. Today, my real estate brokerage is hosting a home buying seminar. So I'm on my way into the library so that we can present all of this wonderful information to make the home buying process smooth and effortless for those who are interested in buying. It's 2024 and the market is a little bit crazy, but guess what? If it's your dream to be a homeowner, it can definitely happen. So I will pick the camera back up once I get inside.
And at the next
The event was a success.
Full blown.
So we did a quick little happy hour after our presentation. If I didn't mention, I am a licensed realtor in the state of Texas. So shameless plug, if you're looking for a house, hit me up. All right, so after having a little bit of lunch, I went to Party City. It is the 100th day of school at my school. So of course, I'm looking for granny items so that I can dress as a 100-year-old. But eventually I ended up landing on just creating a shirt, which you will see in a later clip. Aren't these earrings cute? Okay, y'all, my husband pulled up my YouTube account and put it on the TV. And look at how many views this video has gotten me in 3 months. Y'all, this was a great experience. I have some more footage that I need to post from it, but I appreciate all the love and support for those who have been following my YouTube journey. It's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to be a YouTuber for quite some time, and now here I am. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing my videos, and I look forward to those who will join my journey hereafter. And in case you haven't figured it out, husband and I are big time foodies, so this was Jamaican food for dinner. Now it's Sunday. It is my niece's birthday, so I'm helping to decorate the tables. She did have a Moana theme. She's a big time Disney girl, so she's turning 4 years old, and her theme this year was Moana. Currently Sunday. I am making dinner, meatballs, smothered meatballs, mashed potatoes, and green beans. Okay, so I learned this little hack for peeling your potatoes. Let's see if it works. So basically what I'm gonna do is give my potatoes an ice bath now that they've been boiling for a while. So I'm gonna show you the process, and hopefully it's as easy as I've seen it on other videos, but let's try it out. Okay, so it is now 15 to 20 seconds later, so I'm supposed to be able to just do a little twist and the peel should just come straight off. So let's test it out and see if that actually happens. It's actually working. It's coming out. I think I left it in the water too long. Not as easy as I believed it was gonna be, but Yeah, that was a bust. I think I maybe left it in the water too long. Okay, so back to these smothered meatballs. So here I am making some gravy. I just used drippings from the pan that I baked the meatballs in to get them started. I add a little flour, and as it starts to brown, you're almost like essentially making a roux as if you were making a gumbo. You will see me adding some water and a little bit of chicken broth just to thin it out. And then once I get it to the color and texture that I like, I just start adding the meatballs back in, and then I'm going to lid it and let it simmer. So in the process of making your gravy, you are going to lose a little bit of your flavor by adding all of that liquid in. So I do re-up on my seasonings just so that it has the same flavor that it had when it was in the meatball form. So this is my simple, quick and easy way that I make gravy for my meatballs or any other meats that I like to make. If you like what you see, try it out. So this is the final outcome, and then I did make some mashed potatoes and green beans off camera because, I mean, we all know how to make that. If you don't, let me know. I can make that next. Okay, so as previously mentioned, I did make myself a sweatshirt to wear for the 100th day of school. I still need to return those other items, but this is the final outcome, and we had a great 100th day of school. Hope to see y'all next weekend.